how to create flowcharts on Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create flowcharts on Google Docs. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Google Chrome on your laptop or your PC and then search for Google Docs on the app section. Just open this up. Now here you'll have to create a blank document, so go ahead and open it up. Now all you have to do here is head over to the Insert tab at the top, and then from here you can click on Drawing. Now click on New, and here you have an option to create your flowchart. So a new drawing board will appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on the shapes. Now you can just insert these shapes that you want to add to your flowchart like this, and just enter multiple shapes that you want. So I'm just going to insert these kind of shapes right here. I'm going to put this one, and I'm going to put a few more like these. So once you are done adding all of your shapes, then you can start adding arrows to your flowchart. So here, head over to the line section, and you can add arrows to your flowchart. So just tap on arrow. Now you can start connecting your arrow to your flowchart. So just drag your lines and connect your flowcharts like this. So you can start dragging lines from your point-to-point flowchart. And once you are done connecting all of your flowcharts, you can just tap on save and close, and it will be saved on your Google Docs. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.